Ever felt a sharp twinge mid-workout and thought, oh no, did I just mess something up? Here's the truth. Pain doesn't always mean stop. Most of the time, pain isn't the villain, it's just your body talking to you. In this video, we're going to decode that message so that you can move with more confidence. I'm Glenn from the Functional Movement Club. Around here, we believe you don't stop moving because you grow old. You grow old because you stop moving. Stick around because I'll show you how to spot the difference between good and bad pain and 3 quick tests to see if your body's compensating and what to do when that pain shows up. Let's check whether your body's been quietly compensating. Test 1, calf raise. When you do a calf raise, do your feet spin out to the side? That tiny twist might be your big toe throwing a tantrum. Stand with your feet hip width apart. If you can do it single leg, even better. Then slowly lift your heels or one heel, and then you've got to watch your feet and see what they do. Do they rotate out? That usually means you have a big toe restriction, so your body starts to borrow power from your perineals, hence why your feet start to turn out. Over time, that detour adds extra stress through your knees, your hips, and your lower back. To stop your feet rolling out, we're going to grab a band and pop it around our feet. Create a little bit of tension on, let the foot roll in, and then we're going to work on pushing the big toe down as we scoop the little toe up. And what that's going to do is it's going to start to work a little muscle on the side of your calf. This will help keep your foot in a neutral or better position so that when you do your calf raises, you'll be able to use the back of your calves rather than the side. Now, if your hips like to join the party, let's join in on the next one. The second test is our single leg stance. Stand on one leg. See that little wobble? That's your body trying to borrow stability that it doesn't have. Now, stand tall, lift one leg, and freeze. If your hip drops or twists, that tells us one of 2 things. 1, your foot isn't strong enough to control the rotation, or 2, your core isn't firing well enough to stabilize your torso. That wobble is your body outsourcing control to your lower back. Catching it early means you can train smarter before pain joins in on the chat. To improve your single leg stability, we're going to do an adductor side bridge. So go top leg goes down behind us, front leg comes up on 90 degrees in front. On our elbows, we're just going to lift the hip up and the front knee up whilst keeping that back leg on the floor. And what this is going to do is it's going to get your deep core muscles and your adductors to work better to help stabilize you in single leg stance. Ready for one more? This next test will show you how well your core coordinates throughout the whole system. Test number 3, the bear crawl. Try this crawl for 10 meters without dropping this ball. If you can't do it, your core's asleep at the wheel. Get down on all fours, hands underneath the shoulders, knees are underneath the hips. Pop a small ball or foam roller on your lower back and start to crawl forward slowly. If the ball falls off before you hit 10 meters, your core isn't coordinating properly with your limbs. It's not about six-pack strength, it's more about control. When your coordination is off, you'll often see back, neck, or hip pain later on as they're starting to compensate. Keeping the ball on your back isn't simply about strength, it's actually about timing. So what we want to do is to train that, lift up, from there, lift one hand up, lift the other hand up, foot up, then the other foot. So then that way we have that coordination to do our bear crawls. So what do we do next? Past all 3? Beautiful. Your body's communicating crystal clear. Found some wobbles? Even better. Now you know where to start. Here's what to do next. If the discomfort stays the same or improves, keep moving. Your body is adapting. If it gets worse, scale back or adjust your range a little bit. If it keeps returning, that's your cue to get it checked out and build a personalized plan. The goal isn't to avoid pain, it's to understand it early. So next time you feel pain, don't panic, get curious, because pain's not the punishment, it's the communication. If this video sparked a light bulb moment for you, hit subscribe, tap the thumbs up button, share it with someone who keeps ignoring their body's check engine light. And if you want to start improving your back health right away, why not grab our free guide, the top 3 exercises for your back pain? The link is in the description below. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep doing the things you love.